In the complex world of finance, choosing between a financial advisor and a wealth manager is like picking the right compass for your financial journey. At Davies Wealth Management, we guide clients through this decision, ensuring clarity and confidence in their financial future. Financial advisors are your go to for broad financial guidance, offering services like investment management, retirement planning, and debt reduction. They cater to a diverse clientele, from young professionals to retirees, and are equipped with essential licenses and certifications to provide sound advice. On the other hand, wealth managers serve high net worth individuals with a comprehensive suite of services. They coordinate with experts to address complex financial needs, from tax planning to philanthropic strategies. With advanced certifications like CFA and CPWA, they offer tailored solutions for those with substantial assets. The choice between these professionals hinges on your financial goals and asset level. Whether you need general guidance or specialized wealth management, Davies Wealth Management is here to help you navigate your financial path with expertise and care.